What's up, YouTube? It's Eugene. Tony's working today, so I'm gonna be recording this video. Just working on my car for the first day. As you can see, most of the damage from this car is from the interior. Me and my pops already went ahead and got this roof airbag off. That was a pain in the butt because the roof airbag is held up by like 7 metal rivets, and once those rivets are in, the only way to get them out is if you drill them out. So that was a lot of drilling. It was a struggle, but got it out. There goes the old airbag right there. Got a new one today right here. Well, it's a used one. Picked it up for 150 bucks. As well as picked this thing up for 75 bucks. It's the seatbelt tensioner. In Beamers, once the airbag pops, this thing explodes as well. The person who was wearing a seatbelt during the accident. We already installed it. It was quick, pretty easy install. There it is. And yeah, I mean, car's coming along pretty fast. The only thing I got left is this driver airbag. And I went ahead and last night I ordered off eBay upgraded steering wheel that already comes with the airbag. So it's coming out the country, but once that gets here, probably have a video on that for sure. And yeah, I mean, the next step is to just put this roof airbag on, put the roof back together. I ended up calling the dealership today because I need those metal rivets I was telling you guys about. Went ahead and ordered that, and he said I could pick them up soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the dealership, pick those up, and me and my pops are gonna try to put the airbag back together. I'll give you guys an update once that's done. Peace.
All right, so we're gonna give you guys a little update to this car. So obviously, it's not a huge damage, but we actually ran into a humongous problem. I'm sure you guys noticed in that first video. This reverse light is out, so we're in big trouble here. We gotta get this light off. It's a lot of work, so we're gonna get to it. It's an 8mm. Just gotta remove it. It's a basic bulb. We're gonna try to find one in the garage and just replace it, and that should be it. So let's get going. It's a problem with this ratchet because, as you see, the ratchet is broken. Just dropped the nut in there. Psych. Got this German connector off. I'm not used to German engineering right there. Somewhat, but nothing crazy. Mainly deal with the KDM, Korean domestic motors. So we got it off. Now we gotta get to the bulb. So at first it was confusing, but as always, German engineering, there's a little tab. So you pop it, and then bam, this whole piece comes out with all the bulbs. It's my first time seeing this kind of device right here, but hey, they engineered something smart. So we got a pile of bulbs right there. We found the same one. This is the old one. Usually you'd see a break, but there's no break. There's just some blackening inside. I don't know. And this is the other one we found. So we're gonna try to install this. Hopefully it's not a circuit issue and it's just the bulb. We'll find out right now. So just get the new one. Stick it in like so. That's it.
Sure, that's the new one.
Yeah, it has the little green thing inside. So we're just gonna dust this off a little bit. It's kind of dusty, just a little bit. Like to keep our stuff clean. So dust it off. We got the bracket with all the bulbs. Installed the reverse light. And now, let's see how this thing goes back on. Hear that little click. Clip is installed. This thing is secured. We slap it back on. Or we could actually test it before we secure it with the nuts. So let's probably do that. We got the battery charging right now, so we're gonna have to kill that real quick just so we could test it, make sure it works. Or is it on right now? It's on the circuit?
I don't know. Unplug the battery or what?
It's already plugged, everything's plugged in, yeah?
Yeah. they both work.
Both work.
1, 2. Yeah.
So now we're gonna take this off and secure it back into position. Clean this up a little too. Bumper is still gonna be removed though, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I like this design though, that's for sure. Bulbs come in and out real quick and easy. There's only 3 studs and 3 nuts, so pretty easy too. For a BMW, that was painless. Got our little portable charger on blast here.
Message. Go read it. Passenger restraint system. Battery charge level low. I already knew that.
Welcome back, you guys. It's Tuesday. We finally got the headliner back secured into its position, and obviously on the passenger side, the airbag. The current airbag is nice and secure now, so we couldn't do it right away because we ran into a little problem. So we have the other style rivet gun, so it's like for one hand squeezing, and it's like the 90-degree one, and as you can see, these rivets are humongous. I personally never used this huge rivet on a car. Mainly I only used them for like audio speakers and stuff. But this airbag unfortunately was secured by these rivets and not like a nut or a bolt. So we had to get this ordered off of Amazon. So it came in yesterday. And today my pops and Eugene right there just installed it. Works pretty smoothly, even catches it right here. So here's how the headliner looks right there. Obviously, when the airbag blew up, it tore it right here. So we're planning just to patch that up in the future, or maybe even take it to some kind of shop. You could fix it up a little if it's not too expensive. But honestly, we don't want to waste any money. This ain't bad. If it was on this side, on the driver's side, you know, that might get annoying and to a point where either you replace the headliner or you want it fixed or something. But when it's like this, you got this seal right here, so it's not even that bad. About creases on the headliner, the only one that we see is right there. And as you can see, little fingerprints from us removing the stuff, so we're gonna clean that up later. And I think after a while of driving, say after a year, like if there are any creases right now, they will like disappear once they're just chilling back in their normal position. So that's that. Obviously, this is the only thing left. We gotta replace the airbag. My brother already ordered up a steering wheel, so from pictures of what I seen he ordered, as you can see, this steering wheel leather is kind of like raggedy or whatever. It has that feel to it. The one he got is smooth leather. It's a little thicker, and it has the nice like blue stitching right here in red or whatever BMW colors, so it's gonna look super nice. And this right here, bezel, is different, has the M badge and doesn't have the chrome. So you found that out. It's coming unfortunately from like another country, so it might be a couple of weeks until we get the steering wheel, but once we get it, we're gonna do a before and after video. And he just ordered up this shift knob. What is this?
It's like a ZHP leather shift knob from BMW.
Yeah. If you guys try to get these off eBay, there's a chance you could get a knockoff one, right?
Yeah, there's a lot of fake ones.
Yeah, so how much you pay with the discount, I guess?
89, 90 bucks.
So 90 bucks, weighted shift knob, leather. This is perfect. Don't get one from eBay is my suggestion. Rather pay up, say the, 10, 20 bucks more, and you got the legit BMW one. So just even a comparison, like, look at that. Whew, that looks way better. Can't wait. So we're gonna do like a video later on replacing the steering wheel and shift knob and before and after. and I'm kind of excited for that. I want to see it already, so the interior is gonna look a lot different. So pretty much what we have left is what? Front
bumper.
Yeah. It has a little damage. We could fix it up, but we'd rather replace it because even when you got the car, right, you wanted to make it look.
Yeah, get a different one anyways. It's like a M Sport bumper.
Yeah, so M Sport bumper, side skirts. Which one?
Rear bumper. Side skirts like M3 Rep side skirts.
Okay.
And then the rear bumper, another like an M-Tech rear bumper diffuser.
Probably get the little tips in the back, the 4-inch tips.
Yeah, definitely.
So muffler delete with 4-inch tips. I mean, little things right now, but they're all gonna be like, you know, aesthetic look. So it's gonna look 100 times better in the inside and outside. So you guys stay tuned. That's what we got going right here. Slowly but surely, this thing will be done. Probably on the road here in no time. Probably gonna start registration here, and maybe within a week or two, this car will be on the road. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Can't wait.